Imagine a humble vegetable that's been gracing dinner tables for centuries, hiding a secret superpower within its leafy layers. That unassuming hero is none other than the common cabbage, a cruciferous vegetable packed with more health benefits than meets the eye. While many of us know cabbage as a versatile ingredient in coleslaw or sauerkraut, this leafy green harbors a remarkable ability to fight inflammation throughout the body. From its crisp, pale leaves to its colorful purple varieties, cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a closer look. But what exactly makes cabbage such a potent anti-inflammatory agent? And how can incorporating this affordable vegetable into your diet potentially transform your health? In this video, we'll peel back the layers of cabbage's impressive properties and reveal why this humble vegetable might just be the unsung hero of your produce aisle. Get ready to discover the surprising ways cabbage can benefit your body, from potentially reducing your risk of chronic diseases to promoting digestive health. By the end of this video, you'll never look at cabbage the same way again. Inflammation is a complex biological response triggered by your body's immune system to protect against harmful stimuli such as pathogens, damaged cells, or irritants. This protective mechanism involves immune cells, blood vessels, and molecular mediators working together to eliminate threats, clear damaged tissues, and initiate repair processes. There are two main types of inflammation: acute and chronic. Acute inflammation is a short-term response that typically resolves within hours or days. It's characterized by the classic signs of redness, heat, swelling, pain, and sometimes loss of function. This rapid response is crucial for healing injuries and fighting off infections. Chronic inflammation, on the other hand, can persist for months or years, even after the initial trigger has been removed. It often occurs when the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy tissues or fails to shut off the inflammatory response properly. Managing chronic inflammation is of utmost importance due to its association with numerous health issues. Prolonged inflammation can lead to tissue damage and is linked to various diseases, including arthritis, cardiovascular problems, and certain cancers. Chronic inflammation can silently damage the body over time, often without obvious symptoms, making it particularly insidious. By addressing chronic inflammation through lifestyle changes, diet, and appropriate medical interventions, individuals can potentially reduce their risk of developing serious health conditions and improve overall well-being. Cabbage is a rich source of various anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a powerful ally in the fight against chronic inflammation. One of the primary antioxidants found in cabbage is vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress in the body. Red cabbage, in particular, contains high levels of anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that give it its distinctive purple color. These compounds have been shown to suppress inflammation that can lead to cardiovascular disease. Perhaps the most notable anti-inflammatory compound in cabbage is sulforaphane, a sulfur-rich compound that has garnered significant scientific interest. Sulforaphane exerts its anti-inflammatory effects through multiple mechanisms, including the activation of the NRF2/R pathway, which induces the production of antioxidant enzymes, and the suppression of the NF-kappa B pathway, a key regulator of inflammatory responses. Studies have demonstrated sulforaphane's ability to reduce inflammatory markers and potentially alleviate symptoms in various inflammatory conditions. In addition to these primary compounds, cabbage contains other beneficial substances that contribute to its anti-inflammatory properties. Camphorol, a flavonoid found in cabbage, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in various studies. Other compounds present in cabbage, such as indole 3-carbinol and glucosinolates, also contribute to its overall anti-inflammatory profile. These compounds work synergistically to create a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, making cabbage a valuable addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. The anti-inflammatory properties of cabbage may contribute significantly to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables like cabbage is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. The anthocyanins found in purple cabbage, in particular, have been linked to a reduced risk of heart attacks in women who consume them regularly. These compounds may help suppress inflammation that leads to cardiovascular disease and potentially slow cancer cell proliferation. Cabbage's anti-inflammatory effects extend to digestive health, offering potential benefits for various gut-related issues. The vegetable's high fiber content and anti-inflammatory compounds may help reduce inflammation in the gut and alleviate symptoms of conditions like Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and ulcerative colitis. Furthermore, cabbage juice has shown promise in helping to heal gut ulcers, although more recent studies are needed to confirm this effect. Interestingly, cabbage has also demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties when applied topically. Cabbage leaves have been used to reduce inflammation and discomfort associated with arthritis and other joint conditions. In postpartum care, applying cabbage leaves to the breasts has been found to reduce pain, swelling, and inflammation due to increased milk supply and blood flow during the early postpartum period. This natural remedy offers a simple and effective way to alleviate breast engorgement, a common issue for new mothers. These diverse applications of cabbage's anti-inflammatory properties highlight its potential as a versatile tool in managing various inflammatory conditions, from systemic issues to localized discomfort. To maximize the anti-inflammatory benefits of cabbage, consuming it raw is often the best approach. Raw cabbage retains the highest levels of vitamin C, enzymes, and other heat-sensitive nutrients. You can easily incorporate raw cabbage into your diet by adding it to salads, using it as a crunchy wrap for sandwiches, or blending it into smoothies. Thinly sliced raw cabbage also makes an excellent topping for tacos or as a base for coleslaw. When cooking cabbage, it's important to use methods that preserve its anti-inflammatory compounds. Steaming or stir-frying cabbage for short periods can help retain more nutrients compared to boiling or long cooking methods. Quick sautéing with a small amount of healthy oil can also enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants. If you prefer cooked cabbage, try adding it to soups or stews towards the end of cooking to minimize nutrient loss. Fermented cabbage options like sauerkraut and kimchi offer additional health benefits beyond those of fresh cabbage. The fermentation process not only preserves the vegetable but also creates beneficial probiotics that support gut health. These probiotic bacteria can enhance the anti-inflammatory effects of cabbage by improving gut flora balance and boosting the immune system. Fermented cabbage products are also easier to digest and may increase the bioavailability of certain nutrients. Including a small serving of sauerkraut or kimchi with meals can be an excellent way to incorporate cabbage's anti-inflammatory properties into your diet while also supporting digestive health. Cabbage offers a wide array of health benefits beyond its anti-inflammatory properties. Its high fiber content promotes gut health by supporting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. This can lead to improved digestion and a stronger immune system, as a significant portion of immune function is linked to gut health. The vegetable's heart-healthy properties are noteworthy. Rich in potassium and antioxidants like anthocyanins, especially in red cabbage, cabbage may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that women who regularly consume anthocyanin-rich foods like cabbage may have a significantly lower risk of heart attacks compared to those who eat fewer of these foods. In conclusion, cabbage stands out as a remarkable vegetable with potent anti-inflammatory properties that can contribute significantly to our overall health. From its rich array of antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins to its powerful sulfur compound, sulforaphane, cabbage offers a natural and effective way to combat chronic inflammation in our bodies. Throughout this video, we've explored how these anti-inflammatory compounds work to potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases, support digestive health, and even provide topical relief for certain conditions. The scientific evidence, while still evolving, paints a compelling picture of cabbage's role in promoting wellness and preventing inflammation-related health issues. As we've seen, incorporating cabbage into your diet can be both easy and delicious. Whether you choose to enjoy it raw in salads, lightly cooked in stir-fries, or fermented as sauerkraut or kimchi, there are countless ways to reap the benefits of this versatile vegetable. Remember, while cabbage is a powerful ally in the fight against inflammation, it's most effective as part of a balanced, varied diet rich in other fruits, vegetables, and whole foods. By making cabbage a regular part of your meals, you're not just adding a tasty and nutritious ingredient to your plate, you're taking a proactive step towards better health and well-being. So, the next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, don't overlook this humble yet mighty vegetable. Your body will thank you for making cabbage a star player in your anti-inflammatory diet. Here's to your health, and to the surprising power of cabbage.